Hello, in front of me I've got Honor Magic 4 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet, tap Add to Wallet and focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. First, let's enter Transit Pass and select Transit Pass you would like to add to your Google Wallet account. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. And the last card you can add is gift card, which is similar to loyalty card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.